Hi my respected friends, this is the video for Omillionaire draw. Many friends asking me for this prediction. So I am come up with the best powerful numbers according to the past routines. So please look it carefully. It will helps you in your selection. Friends, my powerful numbers for this draw, which is drawing on 3rd November 2022. From 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers, 4, 5 and 6. From 10 to 19 I have only one number, that is 16. From 20 to 29 I have 4 numbers, 22, 23, 24 and 28. 30 to 39 I have 7 numbers, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. For this draw, this is the powerful serial according to my research. Last from 40 to 44 I have only one number, it is 42. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers. If you like any number from it you can choose, if you don't like you can leave it. These are my efforts for you. Now most important point for you, friends, you should select your maximum numbers between these two serials. These are powerful serials for this draw from 22 to 37. You should select 5 numbers. This is very powerful pattern, and remaining 2 numbers from these 4 and 5. These 4 and 1 number, you should select 2 numbers from these 5. This is the best pattern. Now last, you should select 4 to 5 numbers in even and 2 or 3 numbers in odd. The even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 numbers are even and remaining numbers are odd. You need to select according to this combination. If you will follow this combination and these numbers, I hope you will win in this draw. So in the end, good luck to all and goodbye.